Good afternoon, friends, and thank you for joining us for our 5-Minute Friday video this week. Today we're going to be making some paper snowflakes. We might even get some snow this weekend, I hear, so then they'll match the snow outside. So this is such an easy craft, and you can make them so many different ways. But basically, you only need scissors, a pencil can be helpful, and then your paper for your snowflake. I like to use coffee filters. They're nice and thin, they're already round, you can flatten them out nicely, and I think they're a great size for snowflakes. But does not have to be. I also think cupcake liners work great. You can use printer paper, you can use newspaper, whatever you have around the house. First thing you're gonna do though is you're gonna cut it into a circle. So find a circle that you can trace if you don't have coffee filters or cupcake liners, okay? And cut out a big circle for us. And then I'm going to show you the two ways that you can fold it. So you can fold it to be a 6-point snowflake. You can also fold it to be an 8-point snowflake. And you could even keep going, but we're just going to do those two today. So first thing we're going to do, fold it in half. That makes sense. Nice big crease. And I've been using it on both sides since it needs some flattening out. Okay, then we need to do thirds from this, okay? So it needs to be 1, 2, 3 folds here. 3 pieces, 2 folds. So we're going to fold over corner 1 onto the middle part of 2 here. And don't crease it yet because you kind of want to measure and see corner 3 here. We're going to fold corner 3 over piece 2. And kind of see if they line up. Did we get the same size folds? Do you need to adjust it a little bit? Take a look. Okay. And then we're going to crease that. All folded. Perfect. Very, very good. Oh, but wait. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we folded it, so there's 6. But we want to make sure we get a point on these, okay? So after you make your folds, 1, 2, this is the last fold you're going to make, okay? And you're just going to fold it in half, but make sure you know what side your fold is going to be on, and that's really important. Because the side that your fold is here, that is going to be the point of your snowflake, all those points. So you could mark it if you need to. You could cut this little piece off. I almost always cut it off just so that I remember that that's the point. And then you're ready to go. So from here, you can make designs with your pencil to cut out. But remember that they can't be too small, otherwise you can't cut them out. Or, if you're like me, I just like to go for it, okay? So I'm going to cut a little tip off because I like the center there. Let's do a nice pattern over here. Maybe like a little teardrop into something smaller over here. Like that. What about some little diamonds? We'll do some diamonds real quick, and we can see how it turns out. Should I do one more? Okay. So, we'll get all our little pieces out here. Oh, that one doesn't want to come. There it goes. And you can unfold it, which is the magical part. Because when we unfold it, we have our 6-point snowflake. Very good. So, now let's do an 8-point snowflake. So you have your round paper from wherever paper you have there. Okay. So same thing. You're going to cut it, fold it, not cut it. We're not cutting it into half. Okay. So we're going to fold over one side onto the other. Got 2 pieces of paper here. And we're going to do it again. We're going to fold over this corner to this corner. And one more time. This corner to this corner. But wait, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, there's 8 pieces. So now we need our point. What do? That's right, fold it one more time. And that's our easy 8-point fold. Remember again that the side that you folded the last time, that's the side that your point has to be on, okay? So, how many folds was that total? You're gonna fold in half, 1, and then fold in half again, 2, 3, Four folds, okay? You fold it in half 4 times if you want an 8-point. And that's it. And you can string these all together, or you can hang them in windows for your neighbors to see. You can, if you do them on thicker paper, you can make them into cards or tape them onto cards. Endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you for our next 5 Minute Friday video. Bye, guys.